Hi, I'm Cindy Kuhn, an applied futurist, and the one who turns curiosity into a place you can step into where your imagination can get real and where together we prototype futures. You're invited to come play, question everything, and help co-shape what happens next. So come time travel with me because I want to show you something. It's not a tool, it's not a trend. It's a way of thinking that quietly changes all of your world. It's about mindset. When AI showed up in a big way in 2022, I saw that people weren't struggling because they didn't understand the tech. Those early adopters were struggling because of how they were thinking, and they were more comfortable with uncertainty. But the more curious and the better we are at pausing and taking a look at how does this AI stuff actually affect our lives? What does it mean to us? And I've spent years building future models like threat casting, future casting, experiential futures. These are ways to look 10, 20, even 40 years out into the future and then walk those futures back to the decisions we make today. It's about not chasing certainty, but about making better choices while there's still room to move. So when AI hit, I didn't see a product. I saw it as a futurist, as a signal. And the more I paid attention, the more the dots started to connect. And the same mental habits that help people with long-term thinking are the same ones that help people work with AI. I noticed this corollary, and that is where the book, Future AI Mindset, came from. The Future AI Mindset isn't about believing in technology, and it's not about fearing it either. It's about learning how to stand in the change for you without judgment, bringing your curiosity and your sense of direction, yours. At its core, this mindset is asking you to zoom out, way out. Instead of solving only what's right in front of you, maybe fear-based, you start to let yourself see patterns and connections. And you start reacting after you pause. You start noticing things earlier. And your decisions start to change when your mindset is yours and you have curated it to work in this AI space to your best advantage. What matters to you, not what you should be chasing, not what you should be hunting. It becomes a part of your story in helping you shape what's next for you. And the AI becomes not a replacement, it's not magic, it's a collaborator. AI is a teaming partner, and it helps you see patterns and test and prototype and explore, but it's still you that is the decision maker. It is still you that makes the meaning. You still hold the values. You still choose the direction when working with AI.
Register at community.thesalon.ai.